guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to do today is I'm going to be making some little whimsical trees to go in my kitchen with my gingerbread theme that I've got going on. And I'm uploading a video right here if that's what you can obviously see that. But let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really adorable project. Now try not to pay too much attention to my craft room. It's a mess right now. But what you'll need is just various sizes of these styrofoam cones. This one is 3.8 inches by 11.8 inches. And I think, I really don't know where I picked this up. I might have picked this one up at Michael's, but these two came, I'm pretty sure, from Walmart. This one is 3.8 by 8.8 inches. And then this one is around, I think it's roughly around 6 inches, okay? So you'll need some of that. Then I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. This was 50% off, and it was $3.99, and it's just this big garland that they have, Pompom garland. And then I picked some of this up as well, just little pom-poms, different sizes. This was $1.99. This was $1.99. All of it was 50% off. Then I picked this up there as well. I love it. It looks just like candy canes. I don't remember how much it was because I lost my top. It wasn't very much. I've had this for a long time because I use these chenille stems to fasten my wreaths in with. But I'm going to be incorporating some of this really pretty green. I got it at Hobby Lobby. You'll use this. Then this came from the Dollar Tree, this real pretty green chenille ties. And then I picked this up at the Dollar Tree as well, just various colors. Then you're going to be need a foam brush, some white acrylic paint, and then some glitter. And then you'll just need this glitter. It's a diamond glitter. I got it at Hobby Lobby quite a while ago, and it was $2.99, okay? Then I had then you'll need some of these wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree if you want to put them on like a stand. If you don't need this part. Then I had my husband cut me like 3 circles, and they're really rough cut. I didn't want them really smooth. And he made me a hole that my dowel will fit down in, just like that, so my tree will have a base, okay? And then he made me a bigger one and 2 smaller ones to fit on these trees, like that, okay? So that's all you need. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is, I hope you can see, let me put this down. This white table is really throwing everything off, but just need to put a little bit of this paint. If I wish I had a smaller brush, but I don't, so I'm going to pour a little bit into my plate, and then I'm just going to paint these just like this with my paint. And then when it gets dry, you'll also need some Mod Podge. Then we're going to put our glitter on. But this is really simple, and I know you know what I'm doing. So for time purposes, I'll hop off of here, and then I'll be back when I get this painted. Okay, now I have my circles painted with the white, and all I'm going to do is just put some Mod Podge on them, and then sprinkle this glitter on it. And you don't have to be really careful because the trees basically are going to hide the top. I just want to have some of it so that it looks, you know, a little glittery, a little shiny, just a little special. You could do this in all the real white glitter if you wanted. But I'm just doing this, and I've got a paper plate here just to catch all my little sparkles, and then that's what you get. It just looks really cold and frosty. So that's what I'm going to do, and when I get finished with this, I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and glittered my sticks as well. It's kind of hard to see them, but I only glittered them so far down because you're not going to see them because they're going to be up inside of these trees. Okay, for this first tree, what I want to do, the tallest one, I'm going to take these little pom-pom garlands. I'm going to scoot this out of the way and let it continue to dry. And I'm just going to glue this right across the bottom. And this is supposed to be really whimsical, so you know, it's not going to matter. Okay, we're just going to put our garland right around through here. And you don't have to be really particular. Okay, and that's what we're getting so far, all right? Now, it's best to use a low temp glue gun when you're working with styrofoam. But I'm going to go ahead and use my dowel. I think I'll be all right. I don't think I'll have a problem. Okay, and then we're just going to flop it up here to the top and keep going around. Just like that. Okay? And you really only need to glue it every so often. If you want, you can just glue it in certain places. Or you can glue it all the way around. It doesn't really matter. I think I'm just going to glue mine every so often. And just pull it nice and taut. And this is going to give us an adorable little whimsical tree. And the trees they have at Hobby Lobby are really pretty. I did buy a gingerbread house and a little, another little thing they had. But I didn't get any of the trees because I looked at them and I was like, I could definitely make my own. And I wouldn't have to, you know, purchase them. But if you want to purchase them, definitely go ahead. They're beautiful. But I like to make things. Okay, so I know you know what I'm doing. Let me start this other one off. Now, this is what we're getting so far. I think this is so pretty. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing, it's really simple to start the next one. I'm not used to all this mess and it's driving me crazy. Is you're just going to start this one right here. Like right in here. You're just going to put that like that. So it's not hard at all to do. And it wouldn't take any time. And these little pom-pom trees, they're kind of pricey and they're so easy to make. So I know you know what I'm doing, so when I get finished with this, I'll be right back. Now when I get to the top right here, what I'm going to do is just put some glue right here. Take this and just flop itself in on itself and just cut this off right here. And then glue this one right like that. Okay, and now we have this really cute green tree, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to embellish it further. And we're going to find which side we think is the prettiest side. And I think maybe this is my prettiest side, okay? So now what I want to do is just take some of these little pom-poms in the various colors and just put a little bit of glue and just sort of stick it in there like that. You can put it wherever you want. And you could do it, you know, any colors that you want. I just went ahead and got the multicolors. You don't have to do it all, you know, in every little slot or hole. You can just put it in there any way that you want. That looks like eyes. But I'm not finished. But I mean, you know, just whatever you want to do, you can make them any colors that you want. So I know you know what I'm doing, so I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this in, and when I get this one all finished, I'll be right back. Okay, here is this one. I think it's really cute. I only did it around so far on the side because it's going to be towards the back and you're really not going to see it, but you could do this all around. I think it's very whimsical and cute. You could further embellish it with anything that you wanted to, and I may put something else. It's hard to tell. But now what I want to do is take this big little circle that I had my husband cut me, and I'm just going to turn this upside down and just stick this right down in this. And then I'm just going to put it right in here. I think this is so cute. I mean, just look at this. I know it's hard to see in here, but it's adorable. I'll show you in the kitchen when I get them finished. But they're really cute. I love it. All right, so there's that one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this smaller one and I'm going to take this stuff right here that just looks like candy canes to me. I think it's so pretty, and I'm just going to do the same principle. I'm just going to glue this right around through here and then cut it off when I'm finished. And I think this is going to be really cute. So I know you know what I'm doing, so when I get this all done, I'll be right back. Okay, and here is this one. I just cut a little pom-pom and put on top. I will tell you with this one, I don't know that hot glue is the way to go. It took me forever. I think I might try the Eileen's Tacky Glue, which I did get out for a while, but it does take a while, but I think this is super adorable, okay? So I'm going to set this one right here, and then I'll probably do another smaller one. Let me see what I decide. Okay guys, here they are. Here's the first one. I think he's cute. I think he definitely looks like he belongs in a gingerbread village, definitely. But like I said, these pom-pom trees are kind of expensive, and it was fun to make it. Okay, so here's this one. Now this one is my favorite. I love how this turned out. It's just so pretty. So here's this one. And then here's this little one. Now you could continue to embellish it all the way around. I didn't. I just put it in the very front where it could be seen, but I think these are really cute. So I'll hop back on and show you where I think I'm going to put them. I don't have everything out in my kitchen yet, but I'm pretty sure this may be where I'm going to put them. Not positive though. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, here they are. I'm pretty sure this is probably where I'm going to put them. I'm not positive, but you can see they're so cute. I just think they're very festive looking. They definitely look whimsical. But here they are. I'm either going to leave them here or I'm going to put them over where I'm actually going to put my candy. I'm not sure. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.